Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Today I'm going to be testing out Bilt Hamber Auto Foam. It's finally available, easily available in the United States from cleangarage.com. I've been wanting to try this stuff for years, ever since I saw it on Forensic Detailing's channel. So I've got my dirty Toyota over there, and we're going to see how it works. Now, they don't actually talk about a dilution ratio, they talk about panel impact ratio. And to get a panel impact ratio, you have to see how fast your foam cannon empties, do some math to figure out how much of the product you should use. I'm not going to do all that. That's just too much work just to use one product. So I'm going to just be generous. I'm going to add 2 ounces into half a foam cannon. And my foam cannon fills up to 1,000 milliliters. It's actually a little bit above half full, probably around 750-ish. So we're going to do 2 ounces in that, whatever the math is. I'm not good at math. And we'll see how it works. Again, I got this from cleangarage.com. They're based out of the United States selling it, which is pretty awesome. Hopefully I can get a clean pour. It's 1 ounce. Oops. That's 2 ounces. Alright, so my only thing about this is it's tough to pour out of a 5-liter bottle. 5-liter bottle is actually not too expensive. I think it's about a little under $40 plus shipping. They had a promo going. I don't know if they still do. Let me clean this up a little bit real quick. I don't want dried soap everywhere. Alright. So you'll get this on the foam cannon. This is the MJJC Foam Cannon Pro. I've done a review of this as well. This thing's pretty sweet. I like it. Give that a good mix. And then we'll take it over to the Toyota. Alright, so here's the Toyota. I did rinse it. I cleaned the wheels already. I rinsed it with a garden hose. I haven't pressure rinsed it yet, which I normally do, but I'm not going to do it just so we can see how effective it is. I mean, as you can see, the lower panels are pretty dirty. I did clean off this area doing another video and a little strip here, so I left that strip for reference, and then the rest of the car is still dirty. So we're going to foam it, let it dwell, rinse, and then we will see how well it all comes out. Alright, most of the foam has run down it now, so I'm going to rinse it off with the garden hose just to see how effective the foam is. Normally I'd use a pressure washer. Again, I'm just testing the product out. I'm not trying to get the best results. This is my wife's Toyota. I'm the only person who ever cleans it. She doesn't care too much about the condition of it as long as we keep it running. And normally I don't even foam it, so it's getting special treatment today. So I'm going to grab my garden hose, and then we'll see how this does. So let's go back to our reference point and see how it did. Well, as you can see, the dirt is still there right here. I mean, it definitely did something. Did it completely clean it off? No. Would it do it with a pressure washer better? Probably. So that's how it works on its own. So I mean, I'm sure you'll get much better results with the pressure washer. I normally use Chemical Guy's Citrus Washing Gloss as my stripping soap foam. I do a high concentration of that, followed up by Purple Power Vehicle and Boat Wash as contact. But I mean, hey, that's not bad, man. It's a pretty decent price, honestly. Anyways, I'm gonna finish washing this now and do a couple other things to it. But I appreciate you watching. Leave a thumbs up. Leave a comment below, of course. Helps support the channel. And if you're liking the content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I really appreciate it. Thanks. Have a good one.